Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. First we will take two artboards of 3.5 by 2 inches and create them. Then these will be our business card artboards. Then we will use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle on the artboard. With no stroke and black fill. After that we will use the pen tool to create shape. And then use the polygon tool to adjust the shape with approximately 4 points. Next we will adjust the points of this shape. Then using the rectangle tool we will create another shape. And reflect its copy. After that we will add a logo. And add details to the back side. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share to friends. Thank you.